Process yendi nimambanya ankole niwe. So you wake up early in the morning around 6:30. Then you nava, then you go to the Kraal. When we are milking, we have ankole. I don't know how you call it in English. Ankole, to rub the dirt from the cow.
Okay.
Something like it's a kind of massage before you milk. You first remove everything dirty from its body. By so doing that, you are creating a kind of friendship of you with the animals. You go to the manga, you get out the calf, its calf, then it goes and circle, then then you tie the legs, then you chase away the calf, start milking. Hata naji bohera, no kubohero, to tie the legs, hata ichi no kubohera. Then, if you untie, hata waji bohora. So these ones stay at home for the purpose of milking them in the evening. So at Kokubano Kama, Habokubateka Bunyatsi, take anywhere amazing, you have to leave some quantity of milk in the udder, in the teats, so that the milk helps it to grow well. That exercise of milking, when it is finished, we call it Okwazi, Wahazi. What we call okusetura, to set the cows free from the Kraal. But girls can also graze, so long as his older is above 15. Najenda nenkoni nenkaito abakuletsa nabe n'inyungu n'ekibiriti n'etabe, then azimuntarisa. Gwe no kureba ngo naronde sente z'obunyatsi burungi ahiburi ezente tizokuza mu kirari ikizindi atobu yarisa from say around 7:30 yatandika urugendo rwo kubisa. So around 12 noon, they are in preparation of taking water. So abantu abo omulimo gwabo no keeping the time location around 1. Before the smearing of the trough starts, you first do like this. Ekino bakyeto kamera bwatu nekiyambitaka kutaha munongo mu itaka rigenzi ryaryo kakahamu. Second stage. Why we are doing this? We want it to be absorbed in water, so that you ease the work of smearing. Okay. If you look at it, I don't care, because it is my work, and I want to please my animals. It adds flavor to water. It has a component of iron, which is most necessary by my animals. It lacks iron even if there is no salt. But you are using this for the trough. They drink water peacefully, eagerly, get satisfied. Even if they are grazing in the farm and they meet an anthill of this kind, they start
Leaking.
You have to smear strictly inside first,
Okay.
then
Outside.
Again, when you are doing this, you do like this.
Hey.
Because it smells nicely.
So that is this.
Protects this bad smell from the armpits. These are cultural things. Hati bobo bachikora bafiringa the trough. Then ntakuza kubaza heihi hato umuntu ayemerera ngaha crying out bakiyeta kutera umuko. To alert this one to know what is going on. Hato no kutera ente akazireta zikazama isi. Habo kuba bamaragira. Bwenu waba norebe ente nizigendana zabo watu iworyaha nogiro tente zatyora. Hato no kozeshongora. Ni kimwe hamuringo ogukuzumanya ise kizuru gukora. Kazari atabarshe tata kazari hato kuzeshongorera naro kucuruza mbenu. It is different from okuchuruza when they are grazing in the farm. So this one allows them, remembers them that the exercise now which is taking place is drinking water. That's why you say kazari. You sank it because it is drinking. It has satisfied what you have done.
Okay.
Fine. Kazari. So this kind of taking water it does not want it. The moment it steps in, it carries cow dung on its toes. That's contaminating water. Just as it is now, without stepping in. This is an exercise or a process of letting this water come back here to empty the trough. Do you see? Are you seeing it now? Yeah. Then,
so after the activity, now I'm free to go and bathe using the same water from the wall. So after here, I'm free now to go and clean my body.
Using water from this dam?
Using the same water from this dam.
But this dam, this is dirty water.
to my experience and knowledge, I'm not sure that my cow is taking the dirty water. So what it takes, I also take it. Because it is my health.
Yes.
We don't have showers around. This is the farm. This is what we call experiencing life on the farm. This our ground, our farm is our place of doing everything. So from here, I'm going to shower from the open place here.
Go for it.
Yeah.
Fresh and boiled milk. Yeah, mpaka tahi.